Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a route in Mapmyrun. Well, this is the easy thing to do. So you have to just go to this website, which is basically Mapmyrun. And once you're here, you have to log in into this. If you don't log in, if you don't have ID, you have to make an ID. It's very easy. You have to just enter your name and password and that's it. So on the middle top, you will find some of the option here. Just go to take your mouse to a route. By the way, you can follow the same instruction over your phone too. Now go to option and click on create route, right? Now here we are into this option create routes. Now basically, let me show you. Basically, you have to just click on create route, and here on the left side, you will see a lot of option, right? But if you find something to add a name or something, because in most of the mobile application they will ask you something like this. So they will ask you on which date, so of course you have to select a date. For example, I want to go on 8th, right? So I will just go and click on plus icon. I will just give a name and everything, right? So sometimes while creating a route they will ask you these questions, so don't get confused, it's exactly same, right? As you can see here, let me just click on create route here once again, and I will be here. So I have to select a location, right? So for example, if I'm not able to find a location, I can just go and click from here. For example, I'm going to start from here and I'm just going for running, right? You can select here, for example, you're doing for bicycling or basically you're riding or just a normal walking or jogging or running, right? So I will just end my run here. Now it will by default, it will automatically give me the shortest route which is possible, and it will not give me a highway route. As you can see here, right, this is a highway one. It will by default, the algorithm set is a pretty good one. Now here you can just show, for example, about highways. I will just turn this on, right? If you just want to go with the highway, just turn this off, and you can just write here, for example, and just if you want to edit something, you can just click on red icon and click on delete this point. For example, this is a starting point here. I will just click here delete this point, and I just want to start from here to again till here, right? So here, as you can see, it will also include the highway because I have made this turn off. So I will just again turn this on. And so elevation, so this is, if you want, you can just change this up, right? And this is the same for traffic. It will show you the on which roads it has traffic. And so bike path too. So if the roads has a bike path, and if you have selected a bike, so as you can see here, right? And if you just go and click here, this is the imperial unit. I just like to go with the metric units. And once everything is done, right, on here you will find three dots, so you can just change the name and everything. And I will just click on save route. So description, I will just write here running. You can just write any of the description. Activity types, so this is just a normal, you can say a bike ride, right? You will get a lot of options. You can select any one of them, right? And here privacy setting, if you want to share with your friends, if you're just going in a group, you can share. If you're going in a large group, you can share publicly. If you're just going alone, you can select only private. Now here bookmark route, so you can just also bookmark it, and once everything is done, just click on save route, and it will take a very few seconds of your time, and it will just save your route right on Mapmyrun. So this is how, and it will ask my experience and everything. It was excellent. I'll just close here. So this is how you can just create a route in Mapmyrun. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.